In this video, we listed the 5 best cameras for kids that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Canon IVY CLIQ 2 Instant Camera. The Canon IVY CLIQ 2 is a compact and portable instant camera printer designed for capturing and printing moments on the go. Utilizing zinc, zero ink technology, it produces 2" by 3" photos that are smudge-free, water-resistant, and feature a peel and stick adhesive backing, making them ideal for creating instant stickers. The device is easy to use and features a large 2" selfie mirror for perfect self-portraits. It includes built-in frames and filters for customizing prints and offers additional storage options with a built-in microSD card slot. Connectivity is via USB, and it is compatible with iOS devices, ensuring versatility in usage and printing convenience anywhere you go. The turquoise color and pocket size dimensions of 3.2" x 4.8 x 0.9 h enhance its portability, making it a practical choice for capturing memories and sharing them instantly. Number 2. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. The Fujifilm Instant Camera, model name 1680624, is designed for convenience and style, featuring a compact and cute design that is easy to use. It includes a built-in selfie mirror and close-up mode with parallax correction, catering to effortless selfies and detailed shots. The camera operates with automatic exposure and flash control to ensure vibrant, well-balanced photos without overexposure. It prints high-quality Instax Mini instant photos, 2" by 3" size, in just about 5 seconds, with subsequent development taking approximately 90 seconds. The package includes essential accessories like a hand strap, user manual, and 2 AA batteries, backed by a 1-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Number 3. Fujifilm Instax Mini EVO Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Mini EVO is a hybrid instant film camera that offers a range of features designed for creative expression and convenience. It combines the nostalgic appeal of instant photography with modern capabilities such as auto exposure and compatibility with smartphone control via the Instax Mini EVO app. The camera allows users to choose from 10 different lens and film effect options, providing up to 100 ways to capture and personalize images. It includes a built-in selfie mirror and dual shutter buttons for portrait and landscape orientations, enhancing ease of use for various shooting scenarios. Additionally, the Instax Mini EVO supports saving images to a microSD card for digital storage and printing high-quality 2" by 3" instant photos using Instax Mini Instant Film, sold separately. Number 4. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 is a cutting-edge action camera designed to deliver exceptional performance in capturing high-resolution photos and videos. Powered by the GP2 engine, it offers snappy responsiveness and doubled frame rates for smooth footage. With a CMOS sensor, it achieves impressive 5K video resolution and 23MP photos, featuring enhanced low-light capabilities and hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization for steady shots. Connectivity is seamless via Wi-Fi or USB for quick file transfers, complemented by cloud storage options. The camera requires a microSD card for storage, not included. Overall, the Hero 10 sets a new standard with its advanced technology and user-friendly features tailored for demanding action environments. Number 5. Panasonic LUMIX G7. The camera described is a versatile Micro Four Thirds system with a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor and various aspect ratio options, 16:9, 1:1, 3:2, 4:3. It supports multiple file formats including RAW and JPEG, with additional options when used with 3D lenses. Notably, it offers 4K video recording capabilities and high-resolution photo extraction from videos. Despite lacking image stabilization, it features intuitive controls for aperture, shutter, white balance, and ISO adjustments, complemented by a high-resolution OLED viewfinder and a tilting LCD display. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, USB, micro HDMI, and ports for external mic and remote control, making it suitable for professional photography and videography needs.